Hello and welcome to Ref Sports. And we are standing in front of the Shane Warne statue, MCG on our left, and the
Shane Warne Legacy Health Checkup booth on our right.
On our right,
It's
absolutely.
far away, and it's very windy here. And I love the weather actually, but
My accreditation has gone that side. It wants to take a photo with Shane Warne. But apart from us taking a photo with Shane Warne, when you come to MCG, of course, hometown boy, and what a bowler, you know. The best part about Shane Warne, the memories that I have of Shane Warne is he's one bowler. Even if the batter is hitting him for six, his reaction would be, and you would feel like, oh, the batter could have just got probably, been dismissed. But what a character, what a player, what a
absolutely 100%. And unfortunately, I don't have any memories as such.
I was about to say.
I don't have any such memories because, when he was playing, I was at the age where you don't remember a lot.
Absolutely.
But, looking back on his legacy, there's so much to remember. And I think just the fact that he's so loved, he's very loved all around the world. It's not just Australia where he's loved. India as well, everyone respects him so much. I think that speaks a lot about what kind of character Shane Warne was, what kind of a person he was. And of course, cricketer, though, we don't have to talk much about.
Absolutely. And there are some special things related to Boxing Day test. First of all, this Boxing Day test, Gargi, is going to be the second, will have the second most attended one after, where people had come to watch Don Bradman.
I mean, that's incredible when you think about it, because India versus Australia, the Border Gavaskar Trophy is truly turning into something bigger than the Ashes. And I think it's bigger than the Ashes because what's more passionate for cricket? Who's more passionate about cricket than Indian
fans?
Of course.
Absolutely.
And I think that brings the flavor. And with everything that's happening in this test series, with the media controversies, with whatever's happening on field, the game leveled, the series leveled at 1-1, I think it's going to be very, very exciting. And like you said, the second most attended test match in the history of cricket. So it says a lot.
Absolutely. And think of this, Melbourne full of viewers at 3:50 p.m. and that is the time when Shane Warne had passed away. That's why at 3:50 p.m. everybody will be opening their floppy hat and bowing down to the great bowler. And we all know, when you think of Shane Warne, I think him in that floppy hat with the zinc on his face is what you remember. That's one. And the second thing is, I think Shane Warne is doing a fantastic job. Shane Warne passed away with of cardiac arrest at the age of, we'll hold Gargi and do the show. But at the age of 52, Shane Warne passed away. That's why there are 52 booths of Shane Warne Legacy where all the viewers will be provided with free health checkup. They will be, I saw there is blood test. They will measure for the blood pressure.
I think there's a lot of importance on, of course, cardiac health because that's how Shane Warne lost his life. But when you think about this, when you think of the legacy that Shane Warne Legacy is leaving behind with the free health checkups, 52 booths around the stadium. So if you're in Melbourne, you can come and get your free health checkup here. But it's one of those incredible things that really brings, importance to a Boxing Day test. Of course,
Absolutely.
You're celebrating unity. Of course, you're celebrating two nations, but also people and stories.
Absolutely. And I think we will have to end. I mean, I'll have to end with one Shane Warne story. That is obviously growing up, most of us 90s kids. She's not 90s kid. I am a 90s kid. Our favorite batter, none other than Sachin Tendulkar. And who can forget the battles between Sachin Tendulkar and Shane Warne? I think the test match where Shane Warne was getting hit by Sachin Tendulkar, he looked unfazed. And the IPL win for Rajasthan Royals, Shane Warne has brought so many memories and he loved India. Indians loved him. Unfortunately, he passed away quite early, and that's why, we have been standing here for quite some time, and Gargi, suddenly it starts raining. I think even the skies cry out at times for the legendary Shane Warne. let's enjoy the immortal statue a little more while we leave you with Shane Warne's thoughts, and we promise to come back with many more such stories.